It is just another rainy day in paradise. We're at the Maple Festival Fairgrounds, hanging out this morning, kind of packing up our stuff. We got here super late and stopped at the gas station. I think we rolled into town maybe about 9:30 or 10. And went looking around, but it's a small town, so everything was closed and the sidewalks are rolled up on a Sunday night. So we went to the gas station, and luckily they had like a restaurant-y type thing there, and we got hamburgers and grilled cheese and ham. And came back here and set up, and thank goodness they have this bandshell here to set up underneath, so we weren't out in the rain. It got down to like 44 degrees or something last night when we rolled in, so it's kind of damp, and it's sort of repeating that this morning. You can see. And that white thing there is the office. That's not the bathroom. The bathroom is the direct opposite corner of that building, which is really nice, actually. It's a really nice place. They even have free, well, not free because it's $15, but free firewood and warm showers and a really nice bathroom. And Wi-Fi as well, which is nice. And probably wait out a little bit of the rain today before we get going. It's 8 miles to the Continental Divide, and then it's all downhill from there. I think we'll be too late or too early to stop at the Krabby Pig though, so I'll miss that opportunity this go around. Maybe next time. Still raining. Alright, we're leaving Festival Park. Might be around 11 o'clock. We gotta go back up a huge hill up there, back to the trail. But great place to stay. Well worth the hot showers. That was a hell of a climb. Way to warm yourself up in the morning. All right, we're getting close to the Continental Divide. I'm excited. No more uphill in this mushy trail. It's gonna be all downhill from there. Maybe about 1.5 miles or 2 miles left. I can't wait. Might be a couple more sets of sprinkles we hit, and we should be out of the rain too for hopefully what will be the rest of the trip. I think if we time it right, we will also get to stop at the Krabby Pig for a soft shell crab sandwich. There's the Continental Divide. Stand, bullet point. We're here. Here we are. All right, so we started in Pittsburgh, got off the Amtrak there, and we rode to Connellsville, stayed there overnight in the Adirondack shelters, and then rode up, almost stayed in Rockwood, but pushed into the dark to Meyersdale and stayed there. And tonight I'm gonna stay, I don't know, somewhere before the Paw Paw Trail, maybe somewhere in here after Cumberland. But been a long couple days, so I make it a little short today. And then eventually all the way down to DC. That's where we came from. Yeah. That's where we're headed. Downhill to Cumberland. fog. We just went through that big Savage Tunnel. We're still in Pennsylvania, and there's Maryland. Mason-Dixon line. I'm in Maryland. My dad's still in Pennsylvania. What are you doing in Pennsylvania? Guess what? It's raining again. We're about to hit the C&O, and man, I can guarantee you it's going to be a huge mud puddle. Not looking forward to it, so I think we're only going to do about 10 miles on it. It's already 4 p.m. And try and stay at Iron Mountains, I think. So we'll see if we make it that far, but at least there's plenty of places to camp. Just had a soft shell crab sandwich with a Krabby Pig. Yummy. Well, the sun is finally shining brightly, and we just started the C&O Canal. So I'm gonna try and make it about 10 miles. We are on the C&O. Just past Ebbets Creek about a mile ago. On our way to Iron Mountain. It's a little squirrely, a little muddy. Just turned into single track here. All right, so we made it to Irons Mountain. Got all set up. It's about 10 miles from Cumberland. It was very muddy, but that's kind of what I expect on the C&O, and following 3 straight days of rain. So I got my tent set up over there. My dad's got his set up over there, kind of just drying everything out here. As you can see, make a clothesline. We said the first one that goes to the porta potty has to fill the water jug, so my dad is coming back with the water jug with some yummy iodine water. I'm pretty sure this is the best tasting beer I've ever had. I carried it all the way from Chicago. Finally got to drink it. And it's not even a 12-ounce beer, it's a 16-ounce beer. So it's extra heavy. I carried it, I don't know, 170 miles. So it's extra delicious tonight. Got a fire going too, even though it was raining. Hashtag Eagle Scout.